Well, looks like a 356, but not any 356 I've ever seen. What is this?
Well, it started life as a notchback, which I made about 900 of them. I found a rusty one and I thought, well, I've got an idea to recreate the missing link between 356 and 901. It's what I would call an outlaw. It's a 901p. The designer in Germany was Erwin Kamita, and he built a car like this in 1953.
So they actually built one of these?
They built one similar. I mean, obviously, I've taken some freedom to do it my way. We widened the car from 2 inches in the front to 6 inches in the back so we could get bigger tires under it. The roof is 4 inches longer than the standard roof, and it's 2.5 inches lower, and then the double bubble gives you the headroom back. It's comparable in performance to a 911 RS.
Really?
We took a 3.8-liter RSR motor, and we made a 4-cylinder out of it.
You took a 6 and made a 4 out of it?
Yep. And then it's all Motec, twin plug, fuel injected, 250 horse.
Wow.
Interesting features inside. I started off with that seat, and I said, let's build a car around these seats. Those are out of a 911 ST. We fabricated this dash to look like a speedster dash.
And you have a wooden shift knob on it.
That's a 917 shift knob.
Man, this is really, really done well. Can you open this up? This looks like you've done a lot of work here as well.
Under here, we made a gas tank for it.
Wonderful. Show us what you have up here.
Well, these windows were in the back seat kind of rattling around. I said, you guys have to put them in a leather bag or something to keep them from rattling around. This is what they came up with.
Oh, what a nice touch.
Those windows come out and they slide in the back.
That's awesome. Well, it's certainly a beautiful, beautiful automobile.
Well, thank you for it.
Thanks a million for bringing it out.
Thank you very much.